Hi everyone, it's my first time flying China Airlines and let's try their Airbus A350-900 from Bangkok to Singapore. For your information, China Airlines is a flag carrier of Taiwan and not the People's Republic of China. It's a 3-hour flight and hope you like it. Our flight is supposed to leave at 11 a.m. and we were informed that our flight is delayed due to the late departure from Taipei. The new departure will be at 1 o'clock and we were given a meal voucher worth 300 baht. With that being said, our long layover in Taiwan from 6 hours will now be 4 hours or less. Not sure if we can still get out of the airport. Check-in was very chaotic as it's a full flight with only 5 counters open. Passport control and security are straightforward, and the departure hall quickly features the distinctive Thai interior design. There are numerous duty-free shops and branded boutiques inside the departure hall. This airport has a charm and I truly miss it because I haven't been here for 4 years. The pricey food is one of the aspects of this airport that I find unacceptable, and the 300 baht voucher that we were given to us is inadequate for a satisfying meal. If you're hungry, you may wish to check out Suvarnabhumi Airport's hidden food court before entering the security checkpoint. It's situated next to Gate 8 on the first floor. The prices at this 24-hour food court are the same as those in Bangkok. Remember to claim your tax refund if you like shopping in Thailand. Refunds are available for any purchase over 2,000 baht. Just ask the cashier to apply for a VAT refund. And on the day of your departure, proceed to the left to C gates after security. It's not too packed, so go directly to the VAT refund counter. I have no doubt that this airport's architecture appeals to many travelers. It combines modern and Thai design elements in a very distinctive way. Now, let's proceed to gate F6 to take our Taipei flight. Nearly arriving passenger, China Airlines.
They gave me a voucher to get a meal for 300 baht, a bag next to me, but nobody, I asked them if it's their bag, everybody said no.
Our aircraft has just arrived from Taoyuan Airport. This aircraft is an Airbus A350-900 registered B18902. The boarding time was shifted from 12:45 to 1:05. Even though there were too many people at the gate area, The boarding process went smoothly.
Welcome aboard. For your safety and comfort during the flight, please place your flight. Please switch to flight mode and turn on Wi-Fi function before the entry doors close.
Let's head directly to the rear cabin now. I'm assigned to seat at 72A. The flight attendant's friendly demeanor is one thing I have observed and I'm really pleased about. Their work appears to be their passion, not something that you see often when you fly a US carrier. The economy section has a 3-3-3 sitting configuration. There is an 18-inch of width and 32-inch of pitch on the seat, and tray tables can be folded up. As soon as you board the aircraft, earplugs are supplied, and a shared power port, a USB port, and a personal TV screen are included with every seat.
During the flight, please switch to flight mode and turn on Wi-Fi function before the entry doors closed. For your safety, thank you for your cooperation.
Bangkok Airways closure flight CI-A34 from Bangkok to Taipei. The flight time today will be 3 hours and 10 minutes.
Regarding the usage of mobile phones and electronic devices, please refer to the safety regulations in the onboard magazine.
They have an amazing IFE. There was a decent collection of movies and TV shows, including both Asian and Western motion pictures. You can use a touchscreen to navigate also their interactive air map.
So the flight deck would like to welcome you aboard this China Airlines flight from Bangkok to Taipei. First of all, the apologize for the delay. The reason was we in Taiwan, and that's why we had this huge delay, about two and a half hours. And now we have to wait another 10 minutes. Traffic here in Bangkok.
Dear passengers, according to the please fasten your seatbelt when seated. In case of cabin decompression, please remove your mask before putting on an oxygen mask. It's our pleasure to welcome Dynasty Flight members, SkyTeam members, and all guests. We will start beverage and meal service shortly.
Style is the answer to everything. Fresh way to approach a known or dangerous thing. Doing a dangerous thing with style.
Thank you. Dear passengers, we are experiencing some rough air in this area. Please remain to sit and make sure that your seatbelt is fully fastened. Thank you. Cabin crew, complete safety check.
ใช้ห้องน้ำจนกว่าสัญญาณแจ้งรัดเข็มขัดนิรภัยจะดับลง ขอบคุณค่ะ
Taipei is cloudy skies. Ground temperature of 8 Celsius, which is 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Now please return to Singapore.
进行健康评估及必要措施。离台后若因身体不适就医。Dear passengers, in order to prevent the prevalence of mosquito-borne diseases such as dengue fever and chikungunya fever, if you have experienced symptoms such as fever, headache, or rash,
Allow me now to share with you my personal impression of this flight. Boarding was easy at the airport despite the low number of check-in counters due to the large number of passengers departing. Although delays are occasionally beyond our control, China Airlines kept us updated via email notifications and announcements. Even on a long-haul journey, there is enough legroom and the aircraft has a nice appearance. The cabin crew members is one feature that stands out. I was surprised by their level of professionalism and compassion. We are being served a really heavy meal that is excellent. Additionally, amazing is the IFE, which functions flawlessly the entire journey. Flying with China Airlines is highly recommended as they're genuinely underrated.
感谢您搭乘天河联盟成员中华航空与曼谷航空共用8号班机，并希望很快能再度为您服务。各位过境的旅客 ，Dear passengers, welcome to Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten signal sign is turned off. 各位贵宾，现在您可以开启行动电话的通讯功能，谢谢。Dear passengers, you may now use the transmitting function.
So that concludes my trip report on China Airlines from Bangkok to Taipei Taoyuan. Hope you guys like it. Please comment your thoughts and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. More videos coming up. Have a great day wherever you are.